Good morning children. Today I am going to teach the topic nutrition in animals. Second lesson, nutrition in animals. All living things need to food and to survive. The food has different types of foods for nutrients, carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Food also give the protect your diseases, keep worn out the tissues, give the energy and help us to growth. Okay. The types of nutrition are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition are plants. Autotrophic nutrition are autotrophs are only plants. Animals are heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. The animals are directly and indirectly depend upon the plants. Okay. The animals' feeding habits are divided into several categories. First one, carnivorous. Carnivorous. Next one, herbivorous. Carnivorous, omnivorous. Parasites. Herbivorous are the plant eating animals are called herbivorous. Plant eating animals are called herbivorous. Example for goat, cow, giraffe, rabbit or carnivorous, herbivorous animal. Carnivorous animals are animals eating, only eat on the flesh or animal, flesh eating animals. Example for lion, tiger or flesh eating animal. Next one, omnivorous animal, eating on the both plant and animal. Both plant and animal. Example for crow, bear, human. Parasites are living organism living to the other living organism, living nutrition to the other living organism. Other living organism. Example for tapeworm, ascaris or roundworm or the parasite. Parasites are ectoparasite and endoparasite. Some parasites are inside the body human beings. Okay, inside the body of the human beings. Example for tapeworm and ascaris are endo. Some parasites are ectoparasite. Example for the ectoparasite are living organism to living on the outside the body. Example for the lice, bedbug are the example for ectoparasite. Okay, the different types of different sides of animals are eating on the different food habits. Okay, it is feed on different feeding organs. Different feeding organs. Example for mosquitoes and leeches have their mouth parts adapted perching and sucking the blood. Okay, perching and sucking. கடிச்சு என்ன பண்ணுது வாயினால மவுத் பார்ட்ஸ் வச்சு கடிச்சிட்டு அந்த பிளட்டை sucking meaning உறிஞ்சு குடிக்குது. ஓகே, mosquitoes and leeches have mouth parts adapted perching and sucking the blood from other animal or other organism. Other organism. Second example for snakes swallow their food whole. Snake swallow their food whole. பாம்பு என்ன பண்ணுது ஃபுட்டை அப்படியே எடுத்து மொத்தமாக விழுங்கிடுது. சரியா? அடுத்து ஸ்பாஞ்சஸ். தேர்ட் ஒன் ஸ்பாஞ்சஸ். Sponges feed on small particle in water. Water that enter their body through the pores. Through the body through enter the body through pores. Sponges only living on the water, sea water. Okay, அந்த sponges என்ன பண்ணும், அதுக்கு ஏதாவது சின்ன சின்ன பார்ட்டிகிள்ஸ் தான் சாப்பிடும். அதுக்கு பாடியில் சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு மவுத்னும் ஒன்லி போர்ஸ், குட்டி குட்டியாக தோரம் மாதிரி வாய் பக்கத்தில் ஒரு சின்ன போர்ஸ் மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்குது, குட்டி போர்ஸ். அது வெளியே தான் என்ன பண்ணும், ஸ்மால் பார்ட்டிகிள்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து எடுத்து சாப்பிடும். சரியா? ஸ்பாஞ்சஸ் இஸ் த ஒன்லி அனிமல். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் butterfly and moth have coiled mouth. Butterfly and moth have only coiled mouth. Mouth structure is coiled mouth parts used suck up honey from the flower nectar. Suck up honey from the flower's nectar. Flower's nectar. Butterfly and moth are coiled mouth. It is என்ன பண்ணும், அந்த coiled mouth வச்சு எதை சக் பண்ணும், அந்த coiled mouth உள்ளால கொடுத்து அதுலேருந்து ஹனி என்ன செய்யும், உறிஞ்சு எதுலேருந்து எடுக்கும், flower nectar. ஓகேயா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் elephants. lift the food with its mouth through the food. Trunk region la eduthu edu veliye saapidum, throw the eat from the mouth. Okay, next one, the digestive system of human in the process involved in the many nutrition. Okay, process involved in nutrition are injection, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. Many process take place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 process take place in the nutrition. Injection, the taking in food is called injection. Food, taking the food உள்ள எடுக்கிறது தான் சாப்பிட்றது தான் வந்து என்னது first one injection. Digestion meaning the breakdown of food into simpler form with the help of digestive juices is called digestion. எந்த சாப்பாடு சாப்பிட்டாலும் பாடிக்குள்ளால போய் என்ன ஆகுது, அதோட enzymes நிறைய ஜூசஸ் கேஸ்ட்ரிக் டைஜஸ்டிக் ஜூசஸ் எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து என்ன பண்ணுது, மிக்சட் ஆகி என்ன ஆகுது, அதை ஃபுட்டை டைஜஷன் பண்ணுது. அதுதான் வந்து என்ன மெத்தட், டைஜஷன். த பிரேக் டவுன் ஆஃப் ஃபுட் இன்டு சிம்பிளர் ஃபார்ம் வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் டைஜஸ்டிவ் ஜூசஸ் இஸ் கால்டு த டைஜஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அப்சார்ப்ஷன். அப்சார்ப்ஷன் மீனிங் உறிந்தெடுக்கிறது. த ப்ராசஸ் இன் விச் த சாலிபிள் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் ப்ரொடியூஸ்ட் டியூரிங் டைஜஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபுட் absorbed by the body tissues is called absorption. இந்த body tissuesல இது வில்லைன்னு ஒரு projection in your stomach inside அது என்ன பண்ணும், food particles the soluble the food the nutrition food எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுது, absorb பண்ணி பாடியோட another பார்ட்டுக்கு அனுப்பி விடுது. சரியா? It is the process in which the soluble substances produced during digestion of food absorbed by the body tissues is called absorption. Next one, assimilation. The process of building complex substances using simple substances to get energy is called assimilation. The building complex substances எல்லாம் simple substances மாத்தி என்ன பண்ண கொடுக்குது, எனர்ஜி கொடுக்கிறது தான் என்னது, assimilation. Next one, ejection. The process of eliminating the undigested waste. தேவையில்லாத சாப்பிட்ட அந்த நல்ல இது நியூட்ரிஷன் எல்லாம் அப்சார்ப் பண்ணிரும், தேவையில்லாத வேஸ்ட் எல்லாம் undigested waste தான் என்ன சொல்றோம், ejection or excrete. Okay, draw the diagram from digestive system of human. Beside mouth, food is stored with the mouth of buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. This one, esophagus or windpipe. Esophagus or food pipe. Okay, respiratory organ have a windpipe. This one, another food pipe. And stomach, this side have liver. Biggest organ of the biggest internal organ of the body is the liver. This side have gallbladder. This one pancreas. Leaf like structure for the pancreas. Okay, small intestine and large intestine. This one, large intestine. Some nerves are found in the large intestine. This side have rectum, this one rectum and anus. Anus. Inside have a small intestine. Small intestine. Okay. First one, it is put the food in the mouth or buccal cavity, mouth or buccal cavity. It is passed through the which one? Esophagus. Esophagus or food pipe. This one liver. Liver is the biggest internal organ. Liver. This one stomach. All the food are breakdown and elimination from the important nutrients are absorbed from the small intestine. Stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, large intestine, large intestine, small intestine, and rectum, anus. Digestion is start with the mouth. Mouth throw the food from the all the food are chew and crushing the food into the inside the pull the food for the esophagus. Esophagus come to the next stomach. Pass through the stomach. Stomach all the food are digestive juices or enzyme are secreted different the different food nutrients and give to the pass through the small intestine. Small intestine absorb the one part of the villi have. This is the finger like projection. Finger like projection. It is absorb the all nutrients in the of the blood. It mixed with the blood and the undigested waste food materials are come to the rectum to out pass through the anus. Okay. It is the made of a long tube called the alimentary canal or digestive tract. Alimentary canal or digestive tract. It is large alimentary canal or digestive. This one, okay. This one how many centimeter long? 9 to 10 centimeter long. Many parts are found in the digestive system. What part? Mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine and anus. Esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine and anus is the important digestive systems organ. Okay. The digestive systems are take place in mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion is physical breakdown food by chewing and churning of the food. Food நல்லா அரைச்சு நல்லா மென்று உள்ளால தள்ளி விடும். ஓகே, புஷ் பண்ணி விடுது. எதுக்கு? ஈசோஃபேகஸ். அந்த digestion தான் mechanical digestion. Next one, chemical digestion. All take place in the stomach. Chemical compounds called enzymes secreted different organ. ஒவ்வொரு ஆர்கன்லையும் ஒவ்வொரு enzymes secrete ஆங்க. liver, pancreas, gallbladder, stomach also. Many other enzymes are secreted. Different organ of the digestive tract break large and complex substance such as carbohydrates, fats and protein in the simplest form. Carbohydrate na one nutrients, fat also fat, protein, carbohydrate, vitamins all are one nutrients. Okay, எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன பண்ணுது? simplest form ஆ மாத்துது. break down into simplest form, come to the such as carbohydrate, fats, protein in the simplest form for the body. Okay, next one, do you know the watery liquids? Watery liquid is the saliva. Saliva is the watery liquid. Saliva mean உமிழ்நீர். வாயில இருக்க உமிழ்நீரை தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? saliva. It is the saliva is the digestive juice. Saliva only one digestive juice of the mouth. Mouthல உள்ள one digestive juice is the saliva. Saliva is produced by the salivary gland. Many salivary glands are present in our mouth underneath the back of our tongue. tongue ஓட பின்பகுதியில ஒரு glands இருக்கு. அதுல இருந்தா எது செக்ரீட் ஆகுது? the secreted the saliva. The teeth break down the food into smaller pieces is called as the mastication. Inside the mouth have we many teeth have no. The teeth வந்து என்ன பண்ணுது? food எல்லாம் break மென்று சின்ன துண்டுகளாக மாத்துது. உடைஞ்சு மாத்தி small pieces ஆ மாத்துறதுக்கு இதுக்கு தான் processக்கு mastication. That process is mastication. Okay, next one, types of teeth. Types of teeth. Teeth are milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth are permanent teeth. How many teeth for the milk teeth? Milk teeth are temporary teeth. Milk teeth are how many teeth? 20 teeth. Permanent teeth are 32 teeth. In the 28 teeth in above during the age of 13 to 13 age, 13 to 11 to 13 age only have the how many teeth? 28 teeth. In 17 to 23 age growing in the extra teeth grown for the 4 teeth is the 32 teeth. 32 teeth are permanent teeth. Okay, next one, kinds of teeth. Teeth are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. One more time tell, incisors, canines and molars are the kinds of teeth. Incisor teeth are found in front of the teeth. Okay, how many teeth have for the incisors? 8 teeth. Okay, canines are how many teeth? 4 teeth. In the premolars are 8 and molars are 12. 12 teeth. Okay, incisors are upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw and upper jaw have 16 teeth and Lower jaw have 16 teeth. Upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw have how many teeth? 4 teeth. Lower jaw have 4 teeth. Canines have upper jaw have 2 teeth. Lower jaw have 2 teeth. Premolars are upper jaw have 4 teeth. Lower jaw have 4 teeth. Molars have 6. Totally 12 teeth. Okay. Upper jaw male தாடை, lower jaw கீழ் தாடை. மேலையும் கீழே இருக்கிறதா என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Upper jaw and lower jaw. Incisors are front of the teeth. Canines are behind the incisors. பக்கத்துல இருக்கு பின்னாடி. Premolars are side of the teeth. Molars are last back side of the teeth. கடவா பல்லுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Last பல்லு. Okay யா? Incisors lies what side ma? Front of the teeth. Canines are behind the teeth. Premolars are side of the teeth. Molars are back side of the teeth. Okay. It is the works like incisors are works like scissors. Scissors கட் பண்ண பயன்படுற மாதிரி இந்த incisors பல்லாம் அத மாதிரியே ஒர்க் பண்ணும். சரியா? Canines are fork. It is work like in fork. This one premolars are work like in this one pestle and mortar. Premolars are nutcracker. It is cut in work like in nutcracker. பாக்கு வெட்டி மாதிரி. இது வந்து இந்த சின்ன உரல் மாதிரி இருக்கு, நம்ம இடிக்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க ஏதாவது பொருட்கள் அந்த மாதிரி. pestle and mortar மாதிரி எது யூஸ் ஆகும்? molars. Premolars nutcracker மாதிரி. Canines work like in fork. Incisors are scissor like work like. Okay, are you understand ma? Next one, dental caries is the scientific term of tooth decay or cavities. Tooth decay or cavities mean what ma? பல்லு வந்து சொத்த பல்லுன்னு சொல்லுவேன்ல, அதுதான். The whole of the one teeth have one hole inside it. That only known as the tooth cavities. Okay. It occurs when bacteria in your mouth create acid that eat away your tooth. The bacteria are also into the create your mouth in the decay. Okay, acid. One type of acid is produced for the bacteria. That time eat any other food particles are in your gum region, have you attached in the gum region. That side only who? The bacteria only produce the acid. Okay. The acid then combines with the old particles and saliva to form yellowish sticky substance is called as plaque. Okay, yellowish substance is called as. இது என்ன பண்ண ஆசிட்டோட சேர்ந்து என்ன பண்ண பாக்டீரியா எப்படி மாத்திருது? ஓல்ட் பார்ட்டிகிள்ஸ் எல்லாம் yellowish சலைவாவும் அந்த இது ஃபுட்ஸும் சேர்ந்து என்ன ஆகுது? மாறுது. yellowish sticky substance-ஆ மாறுது. அதான் வந்து என்னது? plaque. Okay. The gradually destroy the outer layer of the teeth is called enamel. Enamel is the hardest part of the teeth. Teethல உள்ள hardest part வந்து என்னமா? enamel. அந்த அதுல தான் என்ன டெவலப் ஆகுது? called the enamel and develop called the cavities. The பல்லுக்கு நடுவுல ஒரு ஹோல் உள்ளது. Enamel develop the called the cavities which get larger as time passes. When plaque is not removed, it accumulate on the gums and teeth have hardness into the lime like substance is called the tartar. And the larger time passes when the plaque is not removed. It அதை எடுக்கலன்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? அந்த plaque வந்த உடனே என்ன பண்ணணும்? கருப்பா வந்த உடனே எடுக்கணும். எடுக்கலன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? the gums ஐயும் teeth and hardness into a lime like substance is called the tartar. ஒரு hard like substance எதுமா அதுக்கு name is the tartar form ஆகுது. The disease in the teeth is known as the teethல வர disease என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? pyorrhea. This teeth disease is known as the pyorrhea. Okay. This is the dental care for you are care the carrier. Which one? Your teeth. Okay. You are avoid eating in the sugary food items like cream, chocolates or anyone, etc. Okay. The process of digestion starts in the mouth to movement to the chew the food. Mechanical digestion of food happens when teeth is break down into small pieces. Very very important for the teeth also for, used in the digestive system. Okay. Tomorrow assignment is home assignment. Draw the digestive system and label it. Okay children, thank you.